Hi, this is Glenn Andrade from Digital Synergy, and today I'm going to be talking about affiliate marketing digital products and the four biggest benefits to marketing digital products as an affiliate. If you're an affiliate marketer or you're planning on getting into affiliate marketing, then I can tell you that selling digital products is probably the easiest and the best place for you to start. Digital products are any product that you can sell that are informational in nature, and it's simply not a physical product. Some examples of this include ebooks, online courses, software, tools, PDFs, audio files, or anything that can be delivered in a digital format. Now, there are many advantages to selling digital products when you're first starting out in affiliate marketing, and today I'm going to be talking about the four top benefits to promoting digital products. So, number one on the list is that there is a low barrier of entry. Now, what that means is that in order for you to get started, even as a beginner, there's not a ton of hoops for you to jump over. In fact, you can get started in just a few days or even sooner. The only thing you need to do is decide on the niche you want to get into, find the best affiliate program for your product, and in that niche, sign up for your affiliate links and then drive traffic to it. Now, this means that you need to have a platform to post your affiliate links to so that your ideal customers can find you. And honestly, driving traffic is the hardest part about affiliate marketing, or really any online business. But don't worry, I'm going to tell you how you can drive traffic to your affiliate links for free in just a little while. All right, so number two on our list is that there is no inventory that you need. As opposed to selling physical products, digital products do not require a garage or a warehouse or a second bedroom for you to be able to store your inventory. Whenever somebody clicks on your affiliate link and purchases your product, the buyer will then get direct access to the digital product through a download. So again, you don't need to worry about any inventory, any cost of goods, or shipping fees. This saves you a ton of money that you would otherwise need upfront in order to get inventory, and it avoids a lot of inventory nightmares that you won't have to deal with. All right, so number three on the list is that you won't have to deal with any customer service or back office issues. So since you're not dealing with physical products and you're only dealing with digital information, there really aren't a lot of problems that are going to come up. Any questions or issues related to the product are always handled by the product's owner. So it's basically out of your hands after they make that purchase. As an affiliate for any product, you're basically acting as a middleman. Your only job is to promote the product, and any issues basically are not your issue. They are for the product owner to handle. All right, and number four is my favorite, which is higher profit margins. Now, this is the last benefit on our list, but as I mentioned, it's one of my favorites because who doesn't like making more money, right? When you're selling digital products, you can expect higher commissions for each sale, much higher than physical products or services. Now, some affiliate programs offer commissions as high as 90%. Typically, you can expect the range to be from anywhere from 50 to 90%. Now, I want to show you one great place that most people as a beginner will start out with because it is so easy to get into, it's easy to use, and they usually have a decent selection of products. And that place is Clickbank. So as you can see, we are now on the Clickbank site, and it's fairly simple to sign up. You just sign up for an account here. Once you sign up, you'll be able to log in. I'm going to show you the back end in a second, but I just want to give you a quick look at the site. So as I said, you just click on this, you sign up for an account. It's free to join. I already have an account, so I'm actually going to just show you the back end so you can see what you can expect. Now this is their marketplace. When you have an account, you'll have access to all of these different categories that have different types of products. They have software, they have spirituality, new age, sports, travel, fiction, pretty much anything that you could possibly be interested in, they probably have something for you. So I'm just going to click here randomly on, let's say, home and garden, and here it'll give you a list of products. You can sort them by popularity, by the average sale, the initial sale, average rebill sale. That's it. Some of these products will have recurring billing, which is great. And so it tells you what the average sale for that product is that you can expect. You can also go to the affiliate page to get more information about that particular product. And if you want to, promote it, how you want to promote it, you can get a lot of information and resources from these pages. But aside from that, if you decide that you want to promote the product, you're going to basically generate your affiliate link. So you would do that by clicking promote, and this is my account nickname, and then what they do is they will generate what they call a hop link. That's your affiliate link. I'll generate that, and basically here I now have my hop link, and this is the affiliate link that I would use to promote my product, regardless of how I was going to try to promote it. If I'm using paid ads, if I'm doing SEO, if I have an email list, whatever that is. So those are the four benefits as to why you should begin affiliate marketing with digital products over physical products. And as I mentioned before, I wanted to tell you about a free training. If you click on the link below, it's from an affiliate marketer who's actually making $52,000 per month using this strategy. I've actually been just started using it. I'm getting amazing results. I'm really excited about it. But you can get access to this free training on how he gets to the tops of YouTube and Google utilizing free traffic. So you never have to pay anything for paid advertising, display advertising, anything like that. It's all using organic free traffic. So go ahead, click on the link below, and I'll see you next time.